know and what we have to understand. When you become big, you will remember one day that I was part of this Bal Gramsabha. We have taken down the names in our register books, Bal Gramsabha, the minutes book. It will be noted down. All what we discuss over here, what we make decisions, what are ideas, everything will be noted. And when you become big, one day you can go through that book. So on behalf of my village lecture, Chinchinim Bal Gramsabha, once again I thank you all, and I now follow the Gram Sabha procedure as per the agenda. And we have also a resource person over here, Ms. Sonam. She will also guide you in different ways how to of child's rights and different subjects she will go through. So once again, I thank you everyone for coming, and I wish you all a happy Children's Day. And देवा तुमचे भरपूर आशीर्वाद गावतो, तसोच तुमचे भाकरीचे तुमच्या शिकपाचे चड करून तुम्ही तुमचे लक्ष तुमच्या शिकपाचे घालपाक जाय. आज we know mobile, but mobile keeping aside, we have to study. You have to make a career, and if you make a career, that is only you have to study and move forward in your life. So thank you everyone.